Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to talk about one of the very basic common problem which you face in our laptop when we use laptop for a longer period of time, which is an overheating problem in a laptop. Why this happens in laptop? So basically, the air outflow quality in laptop is not that great when we compare that with computers. So computer has a bigger space where all the internal devices are fit into that, but laptop is quite compact, and in that compact place we have fit all the motherboards, chips, ICs and all, right, and they are all heat generating components. And when they generate so much amount of heat, when your laptop is being used aggressively, and if laptop is not placed on a flat surface like a table, it is bound to generate heat when it is not going out of the laptop, right? So this is very common problem. So let's see how can we solve this. I'm going to share a few tips which will help solving this problem. So first of all, we'll go to task manager and see if any of the process inside the task manager is being overutilized in the CPU or a memory. So if you see my screen, in our case, nothing is being overutilized, or and CPU is well below 20% and memory is below 50%. So we are good. Okay, but if in your case, if you can see any process is taking more of a CPU, like 70, 80%, 50% of the CPU, what you can do is you can right click on that and you can end the task. Okay, even if after ending the task also, if the process is coming back again and again, that means that is some kind of a virus which has been attacked on your computer. So what you need to do is you need to run your antivirus scan for that and get rid of that particular file or a process. Okay, moving on. So the next thing what we can see is our CPU utilization. It is around 2 gigahertz. It's sitting around 2 gigahertz. So let's see if we can decrease that further. So for that, we'll see our power plans. So to see the power plans, I'll go to control panel. I'll click on power options. I'll select power option from here. And if you see, we have four power plan available here. So just notice when I switch back from high performance power plan to Dell power plan, what happens? So you see the difference? The screen brightness has come down because my Dell power plan is a power saver mode. Okay. So let me create a power plan for you guys. So and we'll utilize that power plan. So I'll call it low plan. I'll say next, create. So low plan is created now. I'll go to change plan settings, change advanced power settings. So in this, I want to suggest couple of things which will help you getting the power saver mode. The first is you see an option called processor power management here. There's the one. Click on that. Uh, the minimum is around 5%, so I will leave it as is. We'll go to the maximum. So if you see the maximum processor state on battery and on plug-in mode, it is around 100%. So what we'll do is we'll change that to 80 to 100%. So I'll make it 95 both. I'll make both as 95. So it is always recommended to keep 95 unless you are doing an extensive gaming, watching a movie or something like which needs an high CPU and GPU. Okay, so I'll keep it at 95%, and we'll also see the display. So display is unplugged in 3 minute on sorry, unplugged in 5 minute, on battery 3 minutes, looks okay to me. And we'll go to battery level action, low battery action, do nothing. So other options looks fine. So I'll just quickly create this plan. I'll say okay. I'll go back to power option. you see the low power, low plan is selected. So now let me see my task manager. So you see the speed which was continuously hitting around 2 gigahertz, it's now hitting around 1.5. So 1.7, 1.8, 1.5, you can see, right? So this has brought your CPU uses down a bit. But again, this is based on what application you are using and how is your other components performing your laptop. That also contribute to it. Okay. So now you can see I have 5 plans, and I'll also tell you how can you delete existing plan. So to delete an existing plan, so let's say this test plan I want to delete. So to delete an existing plan, the first criteria is that plan should not be selected. So in my case, I have not selected test plan, so this can be deleted. So I'll simply click on that change plan settings. So once you click on that, you'll get this option, delete this plan. I'll simply click on that. It will ask for a confirmation message. I'll say okay. You see the test plan is deleted. So that's all about how we can control overheating. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel for upcoming latest update. And thank you for watching.